new bodies when we're in heaven.
You got to have a... But while you're on this earth, you need a balance. You can't take that every day. It's too much. That's why he told Peter them, get down off this mountain. Let's go down.
I like it up here.
It's too much, Angela. 7-Eleven. That makes you want a Slurpee. It's 7-Eleven. I like the Pepsi Slurpees. All right? Happy Tuesday to you.
Happy Tuesday. The next chance you're going to have to win that money is at 8:10 this morning. So make sure you listen for that $1,000 Power Hour. 36 degrees for night Chicago. Your high today will be 62 degrees and plenty of sunshine. iHeartRadio, you can take us wherever you go. And Friday, be with us at Christ Universal Temple.
All right. Jerry Sandusky spoke yesterday, and he said that he did not do what they say that he did. And I was saying it's amazing how immediately he was arrested, immediately Penn State president was taken down. Different coaches were taken down. The person who was over the organization, a not-for-profit organization that the kids came through, was taken down. And then we think about in church, different preachers or different ones in positions are accused of sexual immorality, and nothing happens. And our question is the church more lenient when it comes to this? And I just say to you, the law is the law. And if you break the law, well, you can't hide behind the cross. Drag they from behind the cross and call the popos. If you touch these kids, your end is going to jail. 312-591-3878. Is the church more lenient?
Absolutely. The church is taught to forgive, and I think those that commit those type of crimes and they have that mental abnormality, they prey on that, and so they hide in the church.
Thanks a lot.
So do you think the church is more lenient when it comes to sexual immorality? What are your thoughts?
Yeah. My thoughts is, first of all, we have to examine who is the church. I understand the people are the church. And just because you're in a church and you think you're with Christ, I think you need to examine yourself.
All right.
Because we are followers of Christ. We're not just in a church. We are followers of Christ.
All right. We didn't know you were going to turn this into no Bible study. Go on, girl.
So do you think the church is more lenient when it comes to sexual immorality? Go ahead.
Good morning. Yes, I do. I really do. I think they are lenient because they act as if they don't want to hurt somebody's feelings. If you hurt somebody, then I think you should be exposed.
All right.
Hey, this is Pastor John Hanna from Inspiration 1390. I want you to help me support